Welcome back to another episode of Jain Cooking with Tasteat by Karan Shah. In today's video, we are gonna show you how to make ginger biscuits the Jain way. So let's get into it. Start by powdering half cup of sugar. Take the powdered sugar in a bowl and keep it aside for further use. Take half cup of ghee and start creaming it. The ghee which we use should not be melted, it should be firm. You can do this with a whisk in a bowl too, but using hand just works great. Creaming makes the ghee fluffy and lightens it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and powdered sugar, which we had kept aside earlier. Cream the entire mixture together until light and fluffy. Now add half cup of milk and mix until homogeneous. Add 2 teaspoons of dry ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Generally, the measurements of wheat flour is 4 times the ghee, but it may differ from flour to flour. You can add 1.5 cup in the first batch and gently mix it. Add the remaining half cup in parts until you get a soft cookie dough. Make sure you don't make the dough firm as a roti dough. Do not over knead the dough. Once the dough is ready, we are gonna make 1-inch diameter balls of the dough and place them on a greased baking tray. Ensure that you keep space between the balls so that there is space for them to rise while baking. Now with a fork, flatten the balls, creating a design of your choice. This is the ideal thickness of the dough which bakes us perfect ginger biscuits. These measurements will make you 3 to 4 such trays. In a preheated oven, bake them at 200 degrees for approximately 15 to 20 minutes in the middle rack. Keep checking in between and bake till golden brown. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes, then empty the tray in an airtight container. For baking in a kadhai, follow the instructions given on the screen. Your ginger biscuits are ready to be enjoyed with some garma garam masaledar chai, the recipe of which we'll be sharing soon, so stay tuned. Try our recipes and share your stories on Instagram. Don't forget to tag us on @Tasteat_. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Signing out, Team Tasteat.